What's going on YouTube? So I have a really special video for y'all today. Now I haven't uploaded a color video in so long, but listen, I had the itch. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this really cute color. Super easy and quick, so stay tuned. So we are working with another hair sponsor today. Thank you so much, You Pretty. They sent me this loose, deep lace front wig. Now, in my install video, I mistakenly said that it was a body wave because I already wet it and the curls were kind of loose, so I thought it was body wave. But I was wrong. It's definitely loose, deep. So if you guys want this exact unit, then just make sure you remember that. So I went ahead and mixed my BW2 bleach with my 30 developer. Now I would have been mixing it with 40 if I had it, but I don't. But it should be fine. So in this type of color I'm doing, I just want the front, the hairline to be blonde and the rest to be black. So, you know, that's just the type of style, the vibe I'm going for today. No real reason, just because I like it. So with this one, I'm not leaving the roots brown. I'm gonna dye the roots blonde so it looks like it's blonde coming out of her scalp. So I'm just gonna take my application brush and, you know, be as neat as possible. I don't want to get the bleach on the hair in the back or it's just gonna look messy and spotty. So just be very careful when you're doing any type of color, for real. And this is good because I'm slick like bleaching the knots at the same time. So even if, you know, I didn't go back and bleach the knots, then they will be perfectly fine because, hey. But you know what? I think I actually went back and bleached the knots further back in the wig when I was done. So, yep, that's the perfectionist in me. So now I'm going to lay some foil over it so it can kind of trap that heat in and help it to lift, and leave that on for about 15 minutes. Okay, so that looks good. That did kind of good for a little 30 volume. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out and shampoo it with Dawn dish soap because that's like the best clarifying shampoo ever. And I dried it completely. Now I'm going to do another coat of bleach. Now listen, it's always been some confusion on whether or not you can bleach hair when it's wet. And let me tell you right now, okay, that shit does not work. Like, it may lift a little bit, but it's not going to lift to its full potential if the hair is wet. And I definitely learned this the hard way plenty times. All right, cool. So the hair is covered and it's lifting. So I'm going to take the wig and kind of put it in the aluminum foil so I can clean off my counter. And now I'm taking the bleach and bleaching the knots like further back. So, you know, when I part it, it still looks nice and good and the knots are not detectable. All right, so it's finished bleaching. The second process sat on there for about 20 minutes and it looks good. Like, it's a nice color blonde. I'm actually surprised that it got this light with the 30 volume. So this is gonna be really cute on my model and I'm excited. So I shampooed this like 3 or 4 times with Dawn shampoo. Well, I mean, dish detergent. Now it's clean and it's ready to be installed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see how I installed this wig, because I know you do, okay? I know you do. I'm going to put the link in the description below, so I'll see you there.